Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to be taking these blades off. So stay tuned to see how to sharpen and balance your mower blades on this Troy-Bilt Bronco 42-inch lawnmower. Now I need to put the jack under the mower. I got my 4-jack. I need to jack up the mower. And we want to jack it up. I always jack it up on this point right here. That's the best place to jack it up on your mower. You don't want to jack up on your, this is your exhaust right here. And apparently this exhaust has ran into something, or the lawnmower has, and bent this cover, but the exhaust is fine. I checked it out earlier. It's always good to put a jack stand underneath it. Well, put this under there just in case it falls. I can land on the land on that. I think that'll be good. All right. And today I'm going to be using some impact tools I got. And my impact ratchet, because it's the best thing to use. I have a small compressor I use. This is the small compressor I use to do all my air tools. And it works perfectly fine for doing lawnmower repair, even simple automotive repair as well. And it's a good little pancake compressor. That's all you really need to do simple jobs around the home. All right, now we need to just get our wrench. We're going to reverse it. All righty. This is the easiest way to do your blades. So that way you don't really have to hold them a whole lot. You have to worry about stopping them or the blade or whatever. You can make sure it ain't too bad to do. You can put this right here. I always like to hold on to the blade. I grab it up here on this part here where it's not sharp, and it zips it right off, just like this. This is not a bad looking blade. They need sharpening. Yeah, that blade just needs sharpening. Okay. Well, I'm going to definitely sharpen these blades because they need sharpening. So I'm going to sharpen and balance these blades because these blades are not bad looking. So I'm going to go ahead and zip these off once I take the nut out of the socket. See, it comes right off easy. All right, now I'm going to sharpen and balance the blades. All right, always make sure you wear protective gear. I'm wearing gloves, and I'm going to be wearing this here face shield because I don't want any debris to fly up in my face. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Outdoor Handyman Adventures YouTube channel. Just lay my hat over here. Get a blade. Now we're going to clean this up and sharpen it up, and I'm going to show you how to balance it. may have some little cuts in the blade here, but that's okay, because as long as you got it sharp, got a nice edge, and that is a very, very sharp edge right there. That's good. Now we want to do this side the same. Got a really nice edge right there. It's definitely sharp enough to cut you. All right, now what we want to do is to balance it. I take a screwdriver. Let me get a flatter screwdriver. All right, I'm going to use this flat tip of the screwdriver. I'm going to put it right on that point right there. Lift up my shield so I can see what I'm doing. That. So you put your screwdriver in there, you got it flat on there. When you got your blade lined up across here like that, it's balanced. If it's tilting, then you need to take a little weight off of this end so it'll lift it up until you get it perfectly straight. And that's how you balance your blade. And now we just need to sharpen this one. I'm going to click off here and do this one, then I'll click the video back on. All right, I just got this one sharpened on both ends, nice and sharp on here. Now, what we need to do is check this. Let's get the dirt and debris out of here. Yeah, debris out of there. Okay, throw us off. Okay, now get our screwdriver here, put it right here, and we got a balanced blade, so we're good to go. We got two balanced blades. Now we got to do it back on the mower. Okay, now crawl back under here and put our blades back on. Put our blades on. This rear section right here, it's got a lift on it. See how that curves up? That's going to go up towards the deck. This goes up towards the deck, the curb part. And that's how your blade will fit right on there. This part curves up towards the deck. So just remember, that curves up. We want to make sure we fit the star into the right place. Okay, we want to start the nuts. Let me switch hands here. Start these with our hand. You don't want to cross thread them. You want to start them with your hand. And that'll put it up there where you have this in the right location. Just like that. You know it's in the right location. And all we're doing is going to use our air ratchet to tighten it. We want to press to tighten here at the back. That's all you do to tighten your blade. Now we're going to put the other blade on. We do the same thing. Remember, this curve goes up towards the top. Looks like I got some dirt or debris right there. Clean that off. All right. Remember, curb end goes up. All right, now we just tighten this blade up. All right, maybe that's a little spin. All right. That's all you do to put your blades on your mower. I hope this video helps. Thanks for tuning in today to Outdoor Handyman Adventures. And that's how you put the blades on your Troy-Bilt Bronco lawnmower. And if you haven't yet, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of y'all watch my channel, but you haven't subscribed yet. Please help support my channel by subscribing. And also, so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And thanks for watching Outdoor Handyman Adventures.